One of my new favorite things is pickled onions, and I've just learned how easy they are to make. All you do is take a clean mason jar and thinly slice a red onion, and then you just want to cram it into the jar. Then I have a cup of warm water, just warm enough to melt the sugar, and I have a tablespoon of sugar and a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix that up just until it dissolves. And then I'm going to stir in a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And just pour it into the mason jar to cover the onions. I'm going to top it off with a teaspoon of black peppercorns and seal the lid. At this point, I just need to leave it on the counter until it's completely room temperature and the warm water cools off. Stick it in the refrigerator, and the next morning I have these beautiful pickled onions. And they are wonderful on salads, good for snacking, great on hamburgers. Hope you like it.